Using the Chase Bank app offers convenient access to your accounts, allows you to perform various banking tasks on the go, and provides enhanced security features. Here's how to use it effectively. Download and install. Download the Chase Bank app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Install the app on your smartphone or tablet. Sign in. Launch the app and sign in using your Chase Online Banking username and password. If you haven't enrolled in online banking, you can do so directly through the app. View account balances. Upon signing in, you will see an overview of your account balances. Tap on an account to view transaction details and recent activity, transfers and payments. Easily transfer funds between your Chase accounts, pay bills, or send money to friends and family using Chase QuickPay with Zelle. Mobile deposit. Deposit checks remotely by using the mobile deposit feature. Simply take a photo of the front and back of the check and follow the prompts to complete the deposit. Card management. Manage your Chase debit and credit cards, including activating new cards, setting travel notifications, and monitoring transactions for potential fraud. Security features. Take advantage of security features such as Touch ID or Face ID and set up account alerts to monitor for suspicious activity. Customer support. Access customer support through the app for assistance with account inquiries or issues.